Hi everyone, today we are going to explain the poem To Daffodils by Robert Herrick. Well, before I explain this poem line by line, let me tell you about its brief introduction so you will understand it. Basically, this poem is based on the idea that all the creations of God are mortal. Beauty is short-lived, so is the human life. Here in this poem, the poet compares the human life with the life of daffodils and tells us that both have a short span in their life. Well, let's move and explain it line by line. Fair daffodils, we weep to see you haste away so soon. In these lines, the poet expresses his feeling of regret on the short life of beautiful daffodils because he sees daffodil flowers blooming and withering away in a short time and feels sorry for it. So that is why he says, fair daffodils, we weep to see you haste away so soon. It means that they are fading away so soon. As yet the early rising sun has not attained his noon. In these lines, the poet addresses the flowers and says to them that he is so sad. But why he is so sad? Because they fade away in a short time, even before the early rising sun reaches its noon. So the poet is simply saying that he is so sad. But why he is so sad? Because the daffodils are fading away so soon. So that is why he feels sorry for it. Stay, stay until the hasting day has run. But to the evensong and having prayed together, we will go with you along. In these lines, the poet requests the daffodils to stay till the evening. The daffodils are fading in the heat of the sun. The poet wants them waving and blooming till the end of the day. He also asks them to stay till evening, so the poet and the daffodils would pray in the evening, and then both of them will go together and fade away, just like the daffodils. We have short time to stay as you. We have as short as spring, as quickly as growth to meet decay. As you are anything, we die. In these lines, the poet addresses the daffodils and says that the human beings also have short time to stay or alive. Then he says the human being also have very short spring, as daffodils have. Basically, like daffodils or anything else on the earth, we human beings reach our youth and then quickly decline to old age, or the age of decay or death. So we are also like daffodils, we directly or quickly become youth and then we become aged and then directly we die like daffodils. So we are also having very short time. As your oats do and dry away like to the summer's rain, or as the pearls of morning's dew, never to be found again. In these lines, the poet addresses the daffodils and says, as your time passes away so soon, as the summer rain dries away so soon, or as the pearl-like drops of morning's dew dry away so soon, so we the human beings too die after short life, and we can never be found again in this world, like the drops of dew. And if you have enjoyed this lecture, please like and subscribe my channel.